Now, when you drive by this place, first thing you're gonna say is, oh yeah, a shrimp and po' boy joint. Oh, don't judge a book by a cover for sure on this one, because they've got chapters of culinary good that you just gotta read about. This is Siler's Seafood.
I got a guitar salad.
It's what people that are from New Orleans go eat.
One boiled seafood platter.
All your favorite New Orleans-style dishes done in Jason's way.
That's Jason Siler,
Make it snow.
who grew up in the bayou, boiling crawfish with his dad and cooking in the kitchen with his mom.
I was like a seafood market, so I got all these different awesome connections with crabs and shrimp.
And he's calling on them all to build this seafood sculpture.
I have a totem pole.
All of my New Orleans favorites wrapped into one dish. It's fresh seafood, layer upon layer upon layer.
It looks like a totem pole with a crab in the middle of there.
You have got a big imagination, my
All
friend.
right. I'm gonna show you how to make the crab stuffing.
Hit it.
Some butter, celery, garlic, onions, peppers, lump crab meat, fresh out of Lake Pontchartrain, the claw meat.
And this is the stuffing that goes inside of the totem pole.
Right.
Next in.
Our love dust, crawfish boil, crab boil, the blackening seasoning that we made,
made earlier.
gumbo filet, a little sassafras.
Ground up sassafras leaf. A little bit of the love dust. You name these things?
Absolutely. Blackening seasoning, water, lemon juice, breadcrumbs, and then boom, there's your stuffing.
Boom, there it is.
Now we're gonna get some soft shell crabs ready for the totem pole.
And I'm a huge soft shell crab fan. When you get a chance to come down here and try true soft shell crab, done the right way, game changer. Tons of flavor.
Then it goes into the buttermilk, and then into our fish fry, and then into the oil. The eggplant.
Beautiful. Let me see the totem pole.
Here's that crab stuffing that we just made. Put a piece of this fried eggplant on there. More crab stuffing.
And this is hot.
Absolutely. Got some more of that. And then here comes your soft shell crab. More crab stuffing, some more eggplant. This is a cream sauce. And then hold it all together with this shrimp kebab. More sauce on that. And then we need some Parmesan cheese.
Of course we do.
Put a little greens on there.
You have issues.
Yeah.
Good ones, but issues. The batter on that crab, money.
Thank you.
I did not want to like the crab stuffing. I've never heard of it. And to me, it was just a crab cake that didn't get the love texture on the outside. But this right here works perfect. So you get this smooth, creamy texture with the crunch of the eggplant and a good piece of eggplant. And then you get the gravy. Then you get that money bite. That's like a road sign in Flavortown right there. Guys getting it done.
The totem pole is my favorite. I love the soft shell crab. I love the eggplant.
When I first really started to learn about Cajun Creole cooking was from this guy right here. Kim Gardner, let me hear what you think.
That's good.
There you go. Kim says it's good, I'll come here. I mean, this is a little funky seafood shack. We expect this kind of food out of him?
When you look at this place, you don't, but I would drive for this.
I got a hamper, table 9.
It's our very favorite restaurant.
It's just heavenly goodness all the way through, every time I come.
The way you treat food and the imagination you have as a chef and the appreciation you have for fresh seafood, you're doing a great job, man.
Appreciate it.
Excellent.